Hi, I'm the left-handed reader. Welcome to my channel. Continuing with the Buddha in your mirror. Thank you for listening. Let me know where you're listening from in the comments. Thank you. Human transformation. Based on the teaching of the 10 worlds, Buddhism explains that the way to achieve absolute happiness in this lifetime, in this world, and in our present circumstances is by taking charge of our inner state of life. Unaware of the 10 worlds within, especially our inherent Buddha nature, we waste enormous amounts of energy pursuing relative happiness. What keeps people in the lower 6 worlds are delusions arising from what Buddhism terms the 3 poisons: greed, anger, and foolishness. Allowing the 3 poisons free rein, for example, believing that acquisition will lead one to happiness, will actually trap us in the lower states, where continued suffering and unhappiness are the only possible results. If delusions are the cause of unhappiness and believing in a correct philosophy will lead one to absolute happiness, then reforming incorrect beliefs becomes the practical method for pursuing happiness. Thus, Nichiren concluded that if we wish to become happy, we should quickly reform the tenets we hold in our hearts and embrace the wisdom of Buddhism. Buddhist practice is designed to help us reform the deluded tenets in our hearts. This process of inner reformation, human revolution, unlike revolutions of the past, involves no ideologies, moral systems, codes of behavior, or violence. We simply chant Nam-myoho Renge Kyo with an expectation of benefit, a hope that our life goals might be achieved. Whether we feel happy or unhappy ultimately depends on us. Without changing our state of life, we cannot find true happiness. But when we do change our inner state, our whole world is transformed. The means for accomplishing this transformation is chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, the cornerstone of the Buddhist practice. We chant Nam-myoho Renge Kyo to achieve our human revolution, to reform the beliefs we harbor, and to summon the inner strength to transcend our personal difficulties and help others. Thank you for listening. The Buddha in your mirror. Like and subscribe. See you next time.